Russia, a land of contrasts and history. Russia, the largest country in the world and a remnant of the powerful USSR, offers an extraordinary journey through its vast landscapes and rich history. From sun-soaked beaches to the icy reaches of Siberia, Russia's diverse regions offer something for every traveler. Whether you're exploring the eastern cities or soaking in the culture of the West, Russia's deep historical roots and vibrant culture make it a must-visit destination. Yekaterinburg, a city of historical significance. Yekaterinburg is a city that has witnessed pivotal moments in Russian history. The site of the Romanovs' execution and the birthplace of Boris Yeltsin's rise to power, Yekaterinburg is nestled beside the Ural Mountains. Historically a hub for gem hunters, the city now offers visitors a wealth of cultural and historical sites, alongside a burgeoning food scene and vibrant nightlife. Sochi, Russia's Riviera, located on the Black Sea, Sochi is a premier winter sports destination that gained international fame after hosting the 2014 Winter Olympics. Despite its snowy winters, Sochi boasts a subtropical climate and pristine beaches, making it a favorite escape for Russians year-round. The city's pedestrian-friendly sea embankment offers scenic strolls, while nearby mountains provide excellent hiking and skiing opportunities. Veliki Novgorod, the ancient capital situated on the banks of the Volkhov River, Veliki Novgorod is Russia's first capital, dating back to the 9th century. Fortunately spared during World War II, this ancient city is rich with well-preserved monasteries and monuments. The medieval center, dotted with centuries-old churches, is a treasure trove of history, including the 11th century St. Sophia's Cathedral and St. George's Cathedral, Russia's oldest monastery. Vladivostok, the gateway to the East. Vladivostok, surrounded by mountains and bays, is Russia's largest Pacific port and the final stop on the Trans-Siberian Railway. Located near North Korea and China, Vladivostok is a city of stunning natural beauty and diverse architecture. It is a vibrant cultural hub with new theaters, restaurants, and lively nightlife, making it an increasingly popular destination. Nizhny Novgorod, the jewel of the Volga, located at the confluence of the Volga and Oka rivers, Nizhny Novgorod is renowned for its breathtaking Kremlin perched on a hill overlooking the rivers. While the Kremlin is the city's crown jewel, Nizhny Novgorod offers plenty to explore, from fascinating museums to scenic river cruises that reveal the charm of the surrounding countryside. Lake Baikal, nature's masterpiece. Lake Baikal, the world's deepest and oldest lake, is a natural wonder that draws travelers from around the globe. Holding 20% of the world's fresh water, Baikal is one of the clearest lakes on Earth. Surrounded by majestic mountains, this 25-million-year-old lake is known as the Pearl of Siberia, and is a beloved vacation spot with numerous resorts dotting its shores. Kazan, where east meets west. Kazan, the capital of Tatarstan, is a cultural crossroads where European and Asian influences merge. Known as the Istanbul of the Volga, Kazan is Russia's third capital after Moscow and St. Petersburg. The city's skyline is marked by a blend of church towers and minarets, with key attractions like the Kazan Kremlin and the Kul Sharif Mosque offering a glimpse into its storied past. Golden Ring, a journey through time. The Golden Ring is a collection of historic cities near Moscow, each filled with old-world charm. This region offers a picturesque escape with its cherry orchards, quaint cottages, and onion-domed churches that house some of Russia's oldest art. A tour of the Golden Ring, often done in a counterclockwise loop from Moscow, is a step back into Russia's rich heritage. St. Petersburg, the cultural heart. Founded in 1703, St. Petersburg has been a focal point of Russian history, from the reign of the Tsars to the Communist Revolution. With its European-style architecture, grand palaces, and leafy parks, the city is a visual feast. Rivers and canals wind through St. Petersburg, adding to its charm. A visit to the Hermitage Museum, home to an incredible art collection, is a must. Moscow, the capital of Russia. Moscow, Russia's capital, is a city of immense political and cultural significance. Home to over 12 million people, Moscow is renowned for its contributions to the arts, from ballet to symphonies. The city's skyline is dotted with the onion domes of historic churches, while landmarks like the Kremlin and Red Square stand as symbols of Russia's storied past. For a deeper understanding of Moscow's complex history, visits to the Gulag and Cold War museums are essential.